Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a banana muffin.
Okay, so what did we start? What's the first thing you did?
We used banana.
No, before you even got your ingredients, what's the very germ. So let's talk about, come. These are what? What are these?
Bananas.
But what are all of these things?
Banana.
No, all together. What are they called?
Ingredients.
Ingredients. Okay, so let's talk about what you have. Here, you come here. So what are you going to be using?
An egg.
Yeah.
And flour.
Yeah.
And butter.
Yeah.
And bananas.
Yeah, that's the main ingredient. And those bananas, they look like that, guys, because they were overripe. Actually, they were getting to the point where they were getting ripe, and then we put them in where? Where did we have them?
In the freezer.
Yes. So we took them out of the freezer, and then they were pretty much on the counter all day thawing out, and so that's why they look like that. But I promise you, those are bananas. All right, so go on. What else do you have?
This.
What's that?
It looks like pepper.
But it's not. What does it say on it? What's that?
Fins.
No, right here.
Oh, salt.
Yeah, so it's salt. And this one is?
Brown sugar.
Yep. And then this is?
Flour.
Yep. And then you already mentioned?
Butter.
Okay. So we have all of our ingredients. Oh, you forgot the?
Soda.
Yep, baking soda. So now that we have all of our ingredients, what are we going to do?
Bake.
We're going to bake. But what do we got to do? How are we going to bake them?
Can I play? We have to put the ingredients in and put them into the pan.
So we're going to put all our ingredients together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's show how we put the ingredients together, okay? taste one.
And we're gonna taste one now. Hey, go.
Okay, the moment of truth. How did Ari do? Let's go, Micah. Taste it. Let me know. You like it? Oh. It tastes good, Ari? You did a good job? Yeah, okay.